No.
Custom fit bike with Odyssey wheels and a giant stem.
Jim, I have a bike and go ahead and
Giant seat. Seat's a giant. The clamp is a giant. The wheels are Odyssey. Really strong. 92222 sprocket. Metal pedals. He says he hates it, but I don't know what the deal is. ODI grips. So, what's your bike like? What's the best part on your bike that you like?
Bike sex.
Bike sex? Oh man. Okay, what do you like to do on your bike? Like, what do you like to do on your bike? Like, what do you have a bike for? Just to ride around? To do tricks. What else do you do? What are you trying to achieve? Like, what are you trying to achieve?
Trying to achieve the
No, just chill. What are you trying to achieve?
That was funny.